Hey guys, AJ with Relentless Racing. Welcome back to the channel. So I have here my 1ZZ and it's already broken down. And what I want to do today is I want to prep the block so that way I can take it over to cleaning. And that's going to be at a company called Linco, which is in Anaheim, California. And what they're going to do is they're going to use a cold tank is what it is. And so it is a chemical bath. And the only thing I don't like about it is it turns the block a different color. It turns it kind of a pewter gray, but in any case, I prefer it because I don't have to actually scrub everything. So let's go over all the different pieces that I want to clean up. And I have some stuff over here on the table that I want to show you. And I think the important part is I want to take off all the little tidbits of hardware that are on there. And the reason why is because the chemical eats the finish on hardware. So if it has like a galvanic coat on it or what have you, it'll definitely take it off. So I'm going to remove that stuff and let's get started. Now we have the block, the girdle, the front timing chain cover, and the valve cover all prepped for Linco. So tune in next time and I'll show you what all these parts look like after they get back from cleaning, and I'm also going to show you what I do to prep the block for machining. Thanks again for watching this video. This is AJ with Relentless Racing. Don't forget to check out my e-store at www.shoprelentlessracing.com. Stay relentless and I'll see you on the track.